Okay, this is the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit 4x4. You have to forgive me, that little thing in the corner is my pop socket. I'm blind. This beautiful color that you're seeing here on the outside is called Diamond Black Crystal Pearl Coat. Beautiful color. This is easily one of the most luxurious Jeeps I've ever seen. Now let's get a look at this interior. Beautiful leather. Love that diamond pattern. Love the wood. Now, if I'm being honest, this may be one of my favorite, if not my favorite feature on the Jeep, the moonroof, sunroof. It is perfect for days like today, high of 73. You definitely want to open it up and let in some of those UV rays. Temperature control for those pesky backseat drivers. Okay, I may or may not have lied. The two LCD monitors up front may be my favorite feature. It's something that I have never seen in any vehicle before, and I honestly just think it's the coolest thing in the world. Now, last but not least, one of the most useful features is the hand-free liftgate. If you're a busy person and you've always got your hands full, this is going to be one of the things you get a lot of use out of. If you'd like to see it in person for yourself, come down to John Sinclair Nissan here in Cape Giradeau. Ask for Amir Waters.